Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are designing a swoosh line for sports graphic using stroke path. Begin with the pen tool and draw a fast curved swoosh shape. Choose a soft round brush to make the swoosh look dynamic. Increase the brush size to create bold motions. Now go back to the pen tool and right click the path. Select the stroke path using brush. Now duplicate the stroke layer to thicken the swoosh. Add inner glow for a sleek highlight effect. Add outer glow to create motion energy. Use hue and saturation to adjust switch colors. Blur the tail and for speed tail feel. Thanks for watching. Try different brushes textures for unique motion shapes.